In the AI world, we've always heard bigger is better. Well, a news story is challenging all of that.
Yeah, for ages, the answer seemed to be a clear yes. But what if that's changing right now? Because a brand new, smaller model is proving the answer is a big no. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's meet our underdog. It's Alibaba's Qwen 3.627B, which dropped back in April. It's built with 27 billion parameters. Now, that sounds like a lot, but you'll see it's not. But what's really cool is how it's put together. See, it uses a dense architecture. It's kind of like one single brilliant genius versus a huge committee of different specialists. All right, so how do we know it's any good? Well, it went through a new, really tough test. This test is called GDPval, and it doesn't use simple puzzles. It uses real-world job tasks. Yeah, these are tasks from major industries, all designed by pros with tons of experience. And they are super specific, like creating a detailed technical stage plot for a rock band. Okay, and here's where things get wild. The results were a complete and total shock. Check this out. On a major coding test, this little 27B model beat its giant 397B sibling. I mean, just let that sink in. It performed better with 14 times fewer parameters. Unreal. And get this, it also tied the elite Claude Office model on another set of complex tasks. But here's the kicker, the cost. It's not just better, it's insanely cheaper to run. So why does all this matter? Well, this is way bigger than just one model winning a test. This whole thing sends 3 huge signals to the entire AI world. It's a real game changer. First off, you can now host a top-tier AI on a single GPU, even a gaming one. It also has this cool new feature called thinking preservation to remember its chain of thought. All right, so what's next for AI after a shakeup like this? Where do we go from here? It seems the focus is finally shifting. It's not about being the biggest, but the smartest. And that opens the door for everyone else, which leaves us with one big final question.